In this video, we will discuss how you can become a textile designer, what are the skills required to become a textile designer, what are the main branches of a textile designer, what is the minimum qualification to become a textile designer, what is the position and style of a textile designer. Let's start, friends.
Textile Designer. Textile Designs is the process of making certain designs with the help of wool, thread or cloth to make men's, women's and children's clothing or furniture covers, sheets, etc. He knows the raw materials, dyes and manufacturing steps of various fabrics. From fabric they create decorative items and clothing that are attractive, durable and comfortable. In this work, various designs and samples are made and then it is promoted through marketing so that they can be aware of it and sell it to earn profit. No formal degree is required for entry and work in this field as helper, cutter, checker machine. The textile industry in Pakistan is booming. However, a degree is not usually required here, as much as experience and expertise are important. There is a significant consumption of designer textiles in Pakistan. Presently some universities in Pakistan have started graduation, B.Sc, in related subjects of textile and fashion design. If you have interest and aptitude in this field, then B.Sc. It may be possible to advance nationally and internationally. Car skills. To pursue a career in textile designing, it is essential to be good at speaking and communicating.
It would be possible to inform the client about the limits and limitations of his work. Also, the technical and marketing staff can explain their needs and requirements. Ability to evaluate the properties of materials used in different types of fabrics. Have good skills in creating creative innovation with the help of different colors, designs, fabrics, materials, etc. Good computer skills are also essential. Commercial and business acumen is very important, especially if working as a freelancer. Main branches: textile designs. After gaining importance, you can be able to work in a fashion house, architect, interior designers or a garment factory. You can also become an expert in one field if you want. Like designing home decoration, office decoration, furniture, or clothing for a particular profession like fire brigade, health worker, etc. Wallpaper designer. This designer creates designs for wallpapers used to decorate the walls. Most of the services in this sector are freelance, however. Some large wallpaper manufacturers employ a few designers on a regular basis. Fashion designer, one who designs clothing. In the meantime, he cares about popular fashion fabric. Color and style are being liked. Sometimes they innovate in their design and create a new design can innovate. Interior designer, it decorates homes, offices. Different colors, styles, textures and techniques. It is the responsibility of the interior designer to make the respective space attractive, comfortable and more functional as per the requirement of the client using it. Textile conservator. This professional works with museums or folk heritage sites and tries to preserve ancient and historical clothing, walls, floors and other artifacts in their original condition. In fact, these accessories are done to maintain their historical significance. 30. Have a detailed knowledge and awareness of the traditional practices of the time. Interests: art, craft, fashion, sewing, embroidery, design technology, mathematics, chemistry. Information key points: neurology, IT. Minimum qualification: degree in textile or fashion design will be helpful for entry into this field. However, experience is gained by working with more experts, which helps in moving forward. Practices are worked during most office hours. However, sometimes a project is dated, it takes more time to complete. Work location: mostly work is done in an office or factory, but may also travel to the client's office or a specific location as per the client's requirement. Visiting trade fairs and textile expos generates new ideas. Conclusions: very creative work. Most of the big textile factories are established in big cities, so for a job, One has to move from one city to a big city and settle there. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks.